Critical success factors with any equipment is truly in their maintenance and how well the maintenance crew manages and provides tender loving care to all the equipment that they are servicing to keep it fully operational. Going from a reactive to totally preventative maintenance is a challenge. Most facilities do not have enough staff to have a proactive maintenance program in place because they're just running from one fire to the next fire. But you become able to start peeling off the Band-Aids that the reactive just put on there to keep the equipment going. And once you peel off all those layers, you solve the root problem. And once you start solving that on this piece of equipment, and then on the next piece of equipment, and then on the next piece of equipment, your calls start diminishing. And you end up with something that's running a lot more smoothly, less emergencies, less headaches. Being proactive and preventative maintenance really is key to keep a facility running smoothly. New technologies, things that are yet to come, is always a hard thing to think about. But one item that I have been seeing a little bit more often is the augmented reality. And that really could have such potential in the maintenance world. If you have a 3D computerized image of a component, if that 3D image could start taking the components apart and showing you how to repair a segment, piece of equipment, and reassemble it back to make it run better, run longer, or avoid actually replacing the component in whole, that would just be absolutely fabulous. They're coming out with some great technologies, and I'm really excited what the future could bring our maintenance industries and in general.